Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening TikTok and confirming you're in the correct account. This prevents changing the wrong profile. Tap Profile, then the three-line menu, and choose Settings and Privacy. Once done, locate Notifications in the menu. That's where Global and App Alerts live. Make sure your app is updated so options match these steps. If you skip updates, settings names can differ. Now that you're in Notifications, you're ready to change alert types precisely. You'll now control which events send alerts. In Notifications, toggle push notifications off to stop all, or leave push on and disable specific items like likes, comments, mentions, follows, live, and messages to reduce noise. If you prefer time-based control, enable quiet mode or set a custom schedule so you won't get alerts during work or sleep. Once you change these, TikTok applies them immediately. Make sure to review finish by checking your device-level controls. Go to iOS or Android settings, apps TikTok notifications, and revoke or refine permission to stop push entirely. Once done, verify do not disturb and battery optimization rules aren't re-enabling alerts. If notifications persist, log out and back in, clear the app cache, or reinstall the app to force settings refresh. If that fails, make sure you're not signed into multiple accounts. Notifications follow each account settings, so check them all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.